Everybody says a lithium-ion battery will transform your drone into a flying endurance machine. Today, I'm going to put that claim to the test because this is the Mario Mini 4 and it has one mission: to stay in the air for 15 minutes. If it fails, I face the ultimate punishment. That entire pack, line of sight, no goggles, no excuses, Darwin FPV, and Radio Master Pocket. Now to introduce the drone and the battery that we're going to use. This is the Mario Mini 4. However, I'm going to make it difficult because I'm using 3.6 inch 3630 Gemfan props. These are highly pitched, very inefficient, and not the full 4-inch props that come with it. The lithium ion is a 3000 mAh VTC6 18650 from GEP RC. People use them to go very far away. So let's start the timer, let's fly the drone and see if we can make it for 15 minutes on extremely inefficient props with a really heavy lithium ion battery. Okay, so we're 5 minutes in and we can see where the battery is, and we can see, obviously we're 5 minutes in because I just said it. It's going okay so far. Let's skip on. As we fly around the field doing circles after circles after circles, we've done it for 10 minutes and so far the battery's holding out okay, but I'm not sure that we're going to make that 15-minute mark. Let me know in the comments down below right now whether you think we'll make it, and let's skip on. Yes, we made it. So we've passed the 15-minute mark, but just how far can we push this? Let's see. So 17 minutes on about 3.15 volts, I think it was roughly. Incredible, really, considering we're not using the long-range props, the more efficient props. We're using incredibly inefficient 3.5 inch or 3.6 inch props, which are more designed for pure freestyle. The fact that we could do it for 17 minutes, and I'll be honest, between me and you, I think we could have probably have gone for 20 minutes, but it was really hot, really warm, and I'd had enough. Now, that means we don't have a forfeit, or does it?
Yes, well, we didn't get the forfeit of the pockets and the Darwin. However, the angry Karen saw the last video with the sync mode and she saw that we cheated with the sync mode when we were supposed to be flying the Crux, and she's made us fly the Darwin line of sight. So no cuts, but we're FPV, let's fly it line of sight.
Okay, no cuts. Don't go into the tree. Nice.
Oh man, the sun's so bright, you know.
Yeah. Line of sight.
Yeah, no. It's a sunny day to do this one.
Of course. Careful. Ooh.
Oops. Now the angry Karen has contacted us and said, well done, fat boy, you've flown it line of sight. However, Boy Wonder FPV also has to feel the pain. Go, Boy Wonder. Just go. If it explodes, it explodes. Do a trick. And accident, yes.
Yes. So we had to do the forfeit. Boy Wonder and I was very, very disappointed that Angry Karen caught us out in the last video. She forced us to do the forfeit anyway. But it's been a resounding success. The Mario Mini 4 on 3.6-inch inefficient props with the GEP RC 3000 Mark 18650 flew for 17 minutes and probably could have gone for around about 20 minutes. Stick on some efficient props, some 4-inch props, and you can probably get this thing to about 25 minutes. One more day. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.